Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about your best friend. You should say, who is she? When did you both meet for the first time? What do you usually do together? And explain why you consider her as your best friend.
My best friend's name is Pinki. We met in college when we were both studying English literature. The first time we met was in our introduction to Shakespeare class. We were both a little shy at first, but we bonded over our shared love of reading and analyzing literature. Since then, we've been inseparable. We love to go to coffee shops and talk about our favorite books, movies, and TV shows. We also enjoy taking long walks and exploring new parts of the city together. I consider Pinki my best friend because she is incredibly kind, supportive, and understanding. She always knows just what to say to make me feel better when I'm feeling down. We can talk about anything without judgment, and I know I can always count on her to be there for me. Overall, I feel so lucky to have Pinki in my life as my best friend. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.